open. So today I'm gonna be showing you on how to add chapters to your videos. Like you can see on this video down there, there's chapters. So I'm gonna show you how you can add those into your own videos. So watch this video to the end and you're gonna find out how easy that YouTube account. Then click on your profile picture. You go all the way down to your data in YouTube. Then scroll down, you will see your YouTube dashboard. Then you go to your videos. There's videos, playlist, and subscription. Then you can go to the click on videos. Just a few minutes, seconds. Then you see all your videos here. You go down, you choose the video that you want to add the chapters on. So let me choose the one I want to add my chapters on. You click on the video that you want to add your chapters on. So here you will see your title, your description. So you add your chapters on your description. So on your where you've written the description, go on at the end of your description, just on the lower side of your description, and you start always with the chapters. You start with the time, start with 000. Even if your video shows that the time of the start of your video is 00.01, always start with 000. That is the introduction. If you don't start like that, then the chapters won't show. So you write, I'm gonna write video content as a title. Video content. Then I click down there, then I write the time 0000. Why is it not writing? 0000, and that is always intro. That is a must for every video that you're doing. Intro. You start with 000 intro, then you go down and do the other time. Make it easier for you. Just open another tab, the one that you're using to put the chapters on, and another one where you can open the video that you're adding the chapter on your account. So you open the video, and then here on the lower side you can see the likes, the dislike, share, everything there. And then on the end you can see these dots. On that dots you click, and then you see open transcript. Click on open transcript, and then you see all the time on the side here. Here is the time. So this is what I use to add the chapters on, because this gives me the guidelines of the time. So we go back to the chapter where we're doing the chapter. So here we come and check the time. So I'll take 00.05 as my labor, start of my labor. So I write here 0005 labor. Then I go down, I check again on my video and see you don't have to write to add all the times. You can just be skipping some. You can add as much chapters as you want, but for me I just want to add a few, so I won't like write every time that is here. So I'll be skipping a little bit, and I go to the next. Go to 0025. Then I get the pain labors. You write according to your story what you're talking about. Labor pain. Go down, then you go and check which other time you want to add. 0042 nurse interaction, 0042 NAS interaction. It doesn't, I know mine is in capital letters, but it doesn't have to be a capital letters. You can do it as small letters, capital letters, start with capital letters and small letters, just how you feel like doing it. Then I go and add maybe let me go and add the last one so that we can see. And then I go to the last one. 0520 is conclusion. The last one is always a conclusion or the ending of the video. 0520. 0520. Make sure that the time is correct, otherwise it won't match up and the chapters won't appear. Just make sure the timing on your open transcript is matching what you've added on your chapters. That is conclusion. And after, when you're done, please don't forget to save. As you can see, the first one is always introduction and is 0000, and then in the middle there is the timing of what was going on what you're talking about on your video on that particular time. You can skip a few times and then go to the next one, and then the last one according to your open transcript is conclusion, is always conclusion. So the first one is intro, the last one is conclusion, and then you save. And let's go to the video and see. Although sometimes it doesn't appear immediately, it takes a little bit of minutes or an hour before you see it, but let me go and see if it is already there. Let me refresh this and see if it is there. Yeah, you can see chapters. Let me pause. You can see these little ones. You can see chapters. This already added. You can see little. There is chapters. So thank you for joining me.